Here's the process on an iPhone to delete your Facebook page. First of all, go to the Facebook page. If I click on my icon on the bottom right, click on that, I can go to my shortcuts. I can find, there it is, Bum is a page I've got. Once I'm in there, I say switch to the page. Now, once I've switched to the page again, go to that icon on the bottom right, go down and find settings. There's settings and privacy. Find settings under settings and privacy. Then what I need to do is go down and find access and control. There's access and control. Under access and control, I can select to deactivate, which means it'll make it hide. You can bring it back. Or delete the page, which makes it go away permanently. And then hit continue. Facebook wants to know why I want to get rid of it. I can answer that and hit continue. Then it says before you permanently delete this page, make sure you're reading those words. Delete this page, not delete this account. When you delete this Facebook page, you won't be able to retrieve the content. Your messenger and all your messages will all be deleted. Before you delete, save post, download your information. Do that if you want to do that, and then hit continue. Once you hit continue, Facebook wants to know your Facebook password, which is typically for your personal account, if that's how you logged into Facebook. Put your password in there, hit done, hit continue, and then here's the phrase: delete Bum's page and information. When you delete this Facebook page, you won't be able to retrieve it. It'll all be gone. The following page will be deleted and you will be switched back to Teddy Burris, my personal profile. You can reactivate this page within 30 days by logging in as Teddy Burris and going to account settings. So you can get it back within 30 days, but I want it gone, delete page. Those are the steps to remove a Facebook page on the mobile app.